The United States continues to fully support the ASEAN ceasefire led by Malaysia. The United States has reaffirmed its strong support for the ASEAN ceasefire, an initiative of President Donald Trump, with Malaysia as the rotating chairman of the Association of Southeast Asian Nations, ASEAN, for 2025. The initiative aims to promote peace and stability in the region, which is a key issue for ASEAN member states and international partners. On August 6, 2025, His Excellency T. Sai-ha, Deputy Prime Minister and Minister of National Defense of the Kingdom of Cambodia, met with Admiral Samuel Cabaro, Commander of the United States Indo-Pacific Command, U.S. Indo-PACOM, and His Excellency Edgar Kagan, U.S. Ambassador to Malaysia. The meeting was held to discuss cooperation in implementing the ceasefire and strengthening peace in the region. During the meeting, both sides reaffirmed the United States' full support for the ceasefire. This initiative not only demonstrates the United States' commitment to supporting ASEAN, but also recognizes Malaysia's important role as ASEAN chair in leading this effort. The United States has pledged to closely monitor the implementation of the ceasefire to ensure that it is successful and effective. This monitoring will include regular assessments of the situation on the ground and the provision of necessary assistance to address any potential issues that may arise. This commitment demonstrates that the United States is not only formally involved, but also willing to invest resources to ensure that the ceasefire is effective. To help make the ceasefire practical, the two sides discussed the establishment of an ASEAN monitoring team, AMT, which will play a role in monitoring and reporting on the implementation of the ceasefire. The United States has pledged to provide logistical and technical assistance to enable the AMT to quickly set up and carry out its tasks. The team will be equipped with the necessary capabilities to carry out its work effectively. The United States' concrete support includes military planning, develop strategies to support the implementation of the ceasefire, and address any security issues that may arise. Equipment supply. Provide necessary equipment such as vehicles, communications equipment, and other materials to support the work of the monitoring team. Force delivery system. Organize the transportation and management of the force effectively to ensure that the AMT team can move quickly. Airborne surveillance system. Use technology such as drones or satellites to monitor activities in key areas. Advanced technology. Provide advanced communications and data analysis technology to help the AMT team accurately assess and report on the situation. And this meeting clearly demonstrated that the United States is ready and willing to engage with ASEAN to promote lasting peace. The United States' support is not only a verbal commitment, but also a tangible provision of resources that will help ASEAN's efforts succeed. This cooperation demonstrates the strong relationship between the United States and ASEAN countries and confirms the shared commitment to addressing security and stability issues in the region. This meeting is considered an important step towards strengthening trust and building sustainable peace in Southeast Asia. Thank you for watching this and previous videos. I wish everyone good health.